Hey everybody, happy December. I'm Matthew Celia with lightsailvr. Today I wanted to show you something pretty cool that I've been working on that I hope is going to be released very soon. And that is how do you watch VR.NDI using a Mac. So let me show you this real quick. I'm going to pop over into some demo time and I'm going to launch AnyDesk here. I'm dialed in right now to my Mac Mini M4 Pro. I currently have a clip here that is an overtime piece that we made for Meta a couple years ago. It's one of my basketball documentaries. It's one of my favorites. I love it. And a couple things I just want to go over real quick. First of all, in our project settings, I've set it to 4096 by 2048. You can, of course, make this 8K, but I'll explain something that you want to do in a little bit. This just tends to work better. And then over here in the color page, in order to get an NDI stream out of DaVinci Resolve, we need to use something called Nobe Display. So I'm going to go click on Timeline right there. I'm going to drag Nobe Display in. I'm going to hook it up. And then I'll set my display. This is a 30 frames per second project, so that's what I'll do there. If you are working in an 8K timeline, the tip here is under image scaling, set this to 50%. Let's go ahead and open Nobe Display. We'll hit play on this. We'll confirm that it's indeed playing. Great, we'll leave it like that. Now, the next part of this, we're just going to leave DaVinci Resolve running and playing at the moment. See, we'll just do this, and it can kind of like do its thing and play back its stuff. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Quest 3 and start recording here. So you can see what I'm seeing. Let's go ahead and record a video. Awesome. So on my Quest 3 here, I'm going to launch the new VR.NDI Untethered. And when it launches, you can actually, it does support pass-through just by clicking this little thing. We'll hit refresh. And then we'll see here the LSVR M4 Mac Mini comes up. So I'll go ahead and select that, but I'll also go to this projection type and make sure I'm choosing 180 3D, and boom, let B on my remote here to hide it. We are seeing our show in full stereoscopic 180 VR playing back live inside a Meta Quest 3 headset right from a Mac. So this is pretty cool. I know a lot of you have been asking for this feature. I'm really happy that we can get it at a frame rate that works, and hopefully it will be available via the Meta Quest store pretty soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Drop me a note if you're interested in this, and I'll let you know, maybe with a little discount code. But we finally have a way to produce and watch content on a Mac using a Quest headset. Thanks. Hope everyone has a safe and happy holiday. Talk soon.